Hey, our friends at Duda are sharing on LinkedIn this research. Like SMEs are busy. We know that. We feel you. We know that's happening, and AI can help you at least with some FAQs or replying customers when you are out. I mean, this is something we can do together. We can do it with Duda. So let's see how you can prepare your widget with AI replies to help your customers. Okay, so when you are busy, weekends, nights, 24/7, the AI is going to help you reply your customers fast with quality answers. So how you can do it, we have two options. We have option number one, that is just reply. The AI can reply your customers, that's it, full stop. Or you can reply and get the lead information, that I think is more interesting, obviously. But you may prefer to have a simple AI agent and no lead generation. Or maybe you think no, it's better to do both. So we are going to see how you can do everything, how you can do only replies, or how you can prepare the widget for lead generation. And there is something that is, I think, is super good. If you capture lead information, we are going to give you the conversation right with the lead. So you have the lead information, you have the conversation with the AI agent. So when you call the customer, when you say, hey, Peter, how you doing? I saw yesterday you were looking for this option, or you were looking for this product, or you were looking for this information, or you want more information about this topic, because you have the conversation the AI agent was had with the customer. So this is super useful, super convenient, helps your customers. So let's go and let's see how you do it. I'm working with this customer. I'm going to prepare an agent for the weekends. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to set the timetable for this agent. I don't want this agent Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. All this is out. I want this to work Saturdays and Sundays. I'm going to put it like this. Today is Thursday. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add Thursdays so we can do a test now and we can see it working. Let's put this like that so we can do a test and you can see that it's working. Okay, so the agent is active. We are going to add a form to capture the lead information. So you can see the same, you can see how this works. The form is going to be very simple. Are you a client? Yes, no. Name, number of WhatsApp name, email, and I'm going to remove these options. And okay, that's it. And I'm going to add the chat form. So this works like this. Are you a client? Yes. Name, I can say my name, phone number, and email info at. Okay, and next, what we want next? What we want next is the AI to manage this customer. Okay, so we need to prepare that. Let's go to FAQs. Let's go to AI FAQs, and we are going to train this. We are going to train this agent with the the website information. So we go here, and we start feeding the AI with this website. So we send page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. Okay, so we have these pages with information about the company, and this is for the AI to reply. I can also, for example, this one. Okay, I mean, obviously the images are not going to be it's not going to be read by the AI. Maybe there is some. No, there is not. Okay, so, and let's say we have some content from the website, but let's say we want to bring more content to the AI. Here in the custom text, we can add more content or context about our company. We can say, let's go, we can do the following. Amaranthero. I can search for this company on, for example, on, there is no Wikipedia, but we can go to LinkedIn, for example, and we can see all the information about this company, and we can copy and we can put it here. And this is more content about this company. This is more information about the company. I mean, you can add as many concepts, ideas as you want. Everything is here. Everything is scanned. Everything is ready for the AI to reply. So the AI agent is ready. This is the AI agent, and right now this is going to reply to my questions. So for example, hello, how can I help you? Let's say when the company was founded. And the content is in Spanish, this content is in Spanish, but replies in English. I ask in English, replies in English. So, that's automatically. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to upload content in different languages, okay? If I want more information, I can click on WhatsApp, and I go to the WhatsApp, form to start a conversation with the agent, okay? That's one option. Option number 2, that I think is more interesting. We can go to the agent configuration, and we can do the following. I don't want to go to WhatsApp, and I want the form before the FAQs, okay? So what is going to happen? First, ¿eres cliente? No, are you a customer? Yes, okay. Then, what's my name? Cesar. What's my phone number? I put my phone number, okay. Email. Fantastic. And now I go to the AI agent. So for the customer, it's like, let's say it's natural. I need some information, and then I go to the AI agent. So I'm here, and I can ask, the same questions I was asking, no? When the company was founded. I can ask this question. The AI agent is going to reply. The company was founded in 1957. Fantastic. So what's happening, for you? What is being generated? Obviously, we have a lead. The lead is here with all the questions, and I can see the conversation. I can see what the AI agent was answering to this customer. So when I call this customer, I can say, hey, I know you want more information about our company. Was everything clear? Yes, no, I need more information, whatever. So this is super convenient for any business. You are going to provide good information to your customers with an AI agent. You capture the lead, and you have all the context about this conversation. So I think this is super convenient. What else you can do? Let's go to the agents. Let's go to the AI agent. Obviously here you can see all the conversations. We also have this, this view, so you can see everything, more clearly. And obviously you can change, this layout. Instead of the form, we can train the AI agent to collect user data. So we think it's a bit more natural. It's a bit more, let's say, fluid for the user. Let's see how this works. So we change this. I'm going to change back the settings for this. Okay. So now we go direct to the AI agent. There is no form. There is no questions like, are you a client? Give me your email. It's not like this. Now everything is happening in the conversation. So when the company was founded, now the AI is going to reply. Okay, but it's going to try to get some information about myself. Could you please share your name? Okay, fantastic. I'm Cesar. And now it's going to try to keep engaging. Thank you, Cesar. Can you share your email? Not right now, please. What is the company main products? I can ask, about the company. Okay. And now, as you can see, there is an answer, and now it's asking about more personal information, phone number. And I put my phone number here. Sure. Can I speak with an agent? Okay, so now it's my email. So as you can see, this is a more fluid, let's say, conversational process. No, it's not like I need to input all my information, in a form and then go to WhatsApp. It's like in the conversation, I get answers, and I need to provide some information about myself. Where is all this information going? I mean, obviously there is a timeout. There is a timeout. We don't have the lead yet generated, because we need to wait for some minutes to get this conversation, let's say, finished, because we need to know when the conversation is done, like when the conversation is complete. At that moment, we encapsulate this information, we generate a lead for you, and in the control panel, we should have a lead any minute with all this data, with the conversation, with the lead information, and everything that was happening in this conversation. If we go to the conversation, we can see this is the conversation we had with the agent. So as you can see, it's super convenient. It's very easy to set up. It's included in your license. So if you have a Duda website, you can have a beautiful widget with AI replies, unlimited, and everything included. Okay, so hope you like it. This is for you. Thank you. Bye bye.